So our first example is to find an antiderivative for x times e to the x. We want to use integration by parts, which means we need to decide what's going to be u and what's going to be v prime. Remember that our general rule is that u needs to be a part of the integral whose derivative is simpler. And then v prime is whatever's left, and it has to be something we can integrate. So here, it looks like if we let u be equal to x, then that should work because u prime is the derivative of x, or just 1, which is simpler. Now, what's left is v prime has to be equal to e to the x. Now that's okay too, because the integral of v prime is the integral of e to the x, and that's just itself. So when we apply the integration by parts formula, the original integral will be equal to u times v minus the integral of v u prime. With our selections u equal to x and v prime equal to e to the x, my u times v becomes x e to the x, and my v u prime is just e to the x times 1 dx. Now what we've done is transform what was a difficult integral into one that we can do. We get x e to the x minus the integral of e to the x, and the integral of e to the x is just itself. And then the last thing for us to remember is just to add the constant of integration. So we get a plus c, and that should be our final answer.